What up, what up, what up? Hello guy, how are you? How's everybody doing? Everybody feel good? You guys know really how to make someone feel happy. Give yourself please a round of applause. Well, I'm very happy and very enthusiastic to share this video with you so that you could discover a new personality, someone who has a great impact on me over my journey in the field of personal development. And this individual is called Jeff Olson. And Jeff Olson is an incredible mentor. He is the mentor of so many successful business people or personal development trainers. If you know this individual that is called Darren Hardy, who's the author of The Compound Effect, he has been trained by Jeff Olson, and Jeff Olson and Darren Hardy, all these have been mentors, have been disciples of Jim Rohn, and you know that Jim Rohn is one of the best trainers in the field of personal growth. And in this video, I'm gonna talk to you about one of the books that Jeff Olson have written that is called The Slight Edge. If you haven't yet read this book, I recommend you to go out there and to read this interesting book, because there is a lot of personal development book out there, but I can guarantee you right now without any hesitation that this book could have a great impact in your life, as it did for so many people and myself, because it is grounded on reality. You see, there is a lot of authors out there who's gonna tell you that you can be successful just by attracting to yourself what you want through affirmation or by the law of attraction. But this book said the contrary. It is based on reality, you see, on common sense. Now, some of the philosophy that is described in this book is the importance of working on your philosophy, because your philosophy is what is the most important, the way you think. You see, during the day, there is a lot of thought that come onto our mind, and we have to make decision. And this small decision that we are doing every single day, the compound effect of this small action that we are taking, that is going to amount to something great over the course of period of time. Like you are in the field of business, whether it is in the field of education, parenting, relationship, you have to take action. Action is the most important thing in the process of success. And you don't need to take overwhelming action in a short period of time. You have to take just small action consistently in a long period of time, and you are going to be amazed by the result that you are going to have. This is the philosophy of this book that is called The Slight Edge. If you are, for example, working out, you go out there and you did 20 push-ups, you don't see the results. You don't see the result right now, because that day you do the things, it is equal to not doing it. You don't see the result. But if you keep on doing this again and again and again for a long period of time, that's when how you are going to be amazed, because the compound effect will be in process, right? And unfortunately, today what the trainers are telling us is that in 30 days or 90 days, you are going to be successful. This is a marketing book that are out there that are going to tell you that this is my program. In 90 days, you are going to be amazed by the result. This is not how it works. The Slight Edge philosophy said that you have to take action for a long period of time and to be consistent. people are not consistent in the process of success. They want to plant the seed and to harvest the result in a short period of time. In the book Slight Edge, the author says that you have to plant the seed, to cultivate it, and then you have the result. But what's happened is you want to plant the seeds right now and have the results on a short period of time. This is not how it works. So what you have to realize is that the most important thing in the process of success is your philosophy, the way you think. You see, the philosophy is not something complicated to understand. It's what you know about success, how you hold it, and how it affects what you do. You know that to be successful, you have to decide, you have to take some decision, and you have to do some actions. And how did you hold that truth? Are you consistent in the process, or you are not? Just think about it. And this is some of the philosophy that is shared in the book of Slight Edge. And I invite you to go out there and to read that book. Seriously, you are gonna be amazed as so many people do. I myself, I have been very active in the field of personal growth for so many years, but I can tell you right now, this book will have a great impact on the way you think. And it can be applied in the field of business, in the field of a relationship. You want to be financially independent. You need to save a little bit of money. You see, you can say now I don't have a lot of my pay is very low, but it's not what is work. Just put aside a little bit of that money, and you are gonna be amazed by in a long period of time. You are gonna create momentum, right? You are gonna have an amount of income by being consistent. Consistency is the key. Consistency is the key, bro. You have to be consistent. If you want to be a great athlete, I don't know, you want to be a great educator, you want to ace that exam, you have to be consistent. You have to take action daily in a long period of time, and that's when how you create momentum, right? And when you create momentum, if you, for example, you save a little bit of money in a long period of time, you are gonna be amazed by the amount of income you have accumulated, and that amount of income can be invested. And the investment is the catalyst of having income, right? If you want to be a great athlete, go out there and work out on a regular basis. Work on your health, right? Work on your relationship and be consistent. Do that action again and again and again and again, and that's when how you be successful. This is all what the philosophy of Slight Edge is about. There is any law of attraction out there. There is any affirmation. You just have to go out there and take the action. You take the action again and again and again and again, and that's when how you be successful. This is what the philosophy of the Slight Edge is about. The first thing you need to work on your philosophy, the way you think. You see, if I take action in any field, in business, in relationship, in education, if I take action and I become consistent, the action should not necessarily be a great amount of action. No, just take some action and be consistent for a long period of time, and you are going to be successful. This is what the Slight Edge is about, and see you next time to a new video. Thank you for all.